What are you looking at? Maybe a better way to phrase that is, what are you focusing on? Because nowadays, focus is a luxury many of us can't afford. Our attention is constantly being seized, split, and commodified. And this distraction and noise kills most of our brilliant ideas before they even have a chance to breathe. Now, if the tarot is a reality engine, then we've got to have a way to direct the way our realities take shape. Enter the High Priestess, the Quantum Creatrix. She captures our intention and concentrates our attention. She wields the bow and arrow of focus and faith. Creation isn't about hoping. It's the unwavering will to maintain your aim. So stop wishing for a better future and become the disciplined focus of your vision. Follow the arrow all the way to its divine destination, which is the reality that you want to create. Hotep, y'all.